For my birthday, my sister got me these boba. I think that this vanilla caramel black tea from Bigelow tastes exactly like a milk boba. I'm bringing some water to boil for my tea, and now that this has up to a boil, I'm going to add the tapioca pearls and let it boil for 3 minutes. Meanwhile, in a glass that is also heat proof, I'm going to add stevia because I don't want to add extra sugar. 3 minutes, turn off the heat, cover, and then let it steep for another 3 minutes. Scoop the finished boba out. I like this Chobani coffee sweet cream.